In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to route tickets based on customer tags or history. This is a game changer when it comes to providing faster, more personalized support for your customers. If you're looking for a way to improve your ticket routing process, stay tuned because I've got a simple, actionable method for you. And stick around until the end because I'll also show you how you can follow along using the software we're using today, and I've got a special offer just for you. Now let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is set up your ticket routing rules based on customer tags. Tags are essentially labels you can apply to customer profiles based on their behavior, interactions, or preferences. For example, you might tag a customer as VIP, new customer, or technical support needed. These tags can be extremely useful when you want to route tickets more efficiently. So, the first step is to navigate to your ticketing system's automation settings. Depending on the software, this may be under a section like Workflows, Automations, or Rules. Once you're there, look for an option to create a new rule or workflow. From here, you'll be able to specify what actions should trigger a ticket being routed based on tags. Let's say you want to route tickets with the VIP tag to a specific team that handles premium customers. You'll set up a rule that says, if a ticket is tagged with VIP, route it to the premium support team. This ensures that VIP customers get the attention they deserve and your team can handle their requests faster. Next, let's talk about routing based on customer history. Customer history can give you more context about their past interactions with your support team. For example, if a customer has a history of technical issues, you may want to route their tickets to a technical support team rather than a general inquiries team. To set this up, you'll create a rule that says, if the customer has open tickets related to technical support in the past, route the new ticket to the technical support team. This works the same way as the tag-based routing, but gives you more insight into what that customer has experienced in the past, so you can better address their needs. If your ticketing software allows, you can also combine these two factors. For example, you might want to route all VIP customers with a history of technical issues to the VIP tech support team. You can create a rule that combines both the tag and the customer history conditions. The best part? This method helps you to not only route tickets more effectively, but it also increases customer satisfaction. By routing tickets based on customer tags or history, you ensure that the right team handles each request, making the whole process much smoother and faster. Before we wrap up, remember that the software we're using today can make this all possible, and I've got a special offer just for you. You can get an exclusive free trial of this software by checking the link in the description below. This offer is only available for viewers of this channel, so be sure to grab it while you can. Now, let's recap the main points. First, we talked about how to route tickets based on customer tags like VIP or technical support needed. Second, we covered how to route tickets based on customer history to ensure you're addressing their specific needs. And finally, we combined the two for even more effective routing. The key takeaway from today is that routing tickets based on tags or history allows you to provide a more personalized experience for your customers, leading to quicker resolutions and higher satisfaction. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to follow along with the software we use today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.